Hi, I'm Addison from Chewy. Is your dog about to embark on an adventure? Then don't forget to pack American Journey limited ingredient soft and chewy dog treats. These dog treats are here to help fuel your dog, whether you're trekking a new trail together or hitting up the dog park. Wow, that's a lot of fuel. They feature real animal protein as the first ingredient and have just a few simple ingredients for dogs with food sensitivities. These high-quality, protein-rich treats help maintain lean muscles and come in a tender, chewy texture dogs love. With recipes like duck, lamb, and salmon, your pup will want to pack them all. American Journey limited ingredient treats are made with simple, wholesome ingredients sourced in the USA. Plus, you'll never find any grains, corn, wheat, soy, or artificial flavors or colors in their recipes. When your dog's ready to hit the trail, make sure she's got American Journey limited ingredient soft and chewy dog treats. I'm Addison, thanks for watching. Bye! Time to power up!